Hello, I'm gonna show you how to do lo-fi in under 5 minutes. Okay, so first up on the agenda is drums. Let's grab ourselves a pattern in the playlist. Set a good lo-fi tempo. Perfect. Let's get some good lo-fi drum kit samples. Just a kick, a snare, and a hat. Don't need much. Not meant to be complicated. Get some effects on each. We got just some EQ, bit of sound goodizing on the snare. Same assortment of effects, EQ, sound goodizer, but tiny bit of reverb. And the hat, we got the EQ again. A bit of limiter. Some reverb again. And a little bit of delay. Again, nothing too complicated. Yeah. Or if you're too lazy for that, just grab a sample. Or if you're not that lazy but still too lazy to make it yourself, you can meet it halfway in the middle and get one of these. Perfect. There we go. Single drum beat ain't much of a song. Let's go grab some melodies. We'll just use whichever one of these is better. I think we'll use the front half of this one and the rear half of this one. There we go. Some simplifiers to make it sound better, a bit of EQ, limiter, some reverb. Much better. Next up, grab yourself a Rhodes with some EQ, some reverb, and one of these, and have it do the exact same thing as the guitar. But just a little bit higher. Bass. Bonus high pitch. Now for like a quiet secondary melody. There. Grab yourself a room piano. We got something like this. Kinda nice. Don't forget your vinyl brown noise. Now let's structure this. Yeah, some nice intro, just the bass and the guitar. Mark where the rest of the song's gonna come in. Add some wind chime percussion. You know what? While we're at it, let's grab some depressing dialogue.
About what you said to me the other day about my painting. You're just a kid.
Add some pads to it. Bring the volume of the piano up near the end. Cut the pad and drums off. And there we have it. Lo-fi.
Thought about what you said to me the other day about my painting. Stayed up half the night thinking about it. Something occurred to me. fell into a deep, peaceful sleep and haven't thought about you since. You know what occurred to me?
No.
You're just a kid.